Crook Ramsey.
Yeah. Drug love. And I know you in love with them drugs. Come and smoke with me.
Shawty, come and smoke with me. We can take a trip to another planet. Don't fall asleep off of all them Xanax. I bet that lean make it hard to stay up. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, come and smoke with me. We can take a trip to another planet. Don't fall asleep off of all them Xanax. I bet that lean make it hard to stay up. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know.
Shawty, come and smoke with me. She say my cup tastes like purple candy. To top it all, she done pot of Xanny. All these drugs got us on another planet. Picking purple flowers where it's smoker friendly. Smoking back to back, it got her in her feelings. She so high, she think the sky her limit. She lay down my cup, I know she bout to feel it. Roll another one so it can hit her quickly. While she dozing off, I'm trying to give her hickeys. The mood is set, I'm trying to get her quicker. She in love with drugs, I think that Xanny kick. About to take a trip to another planet. Shawty gone on them fucking Xannies.
Shawty, come and smoke with me. We can take a trip to another planet. Don't fall asleep off of all them Xanax. I bet that lean make it hard to stay up. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, come and smoke with me. We can take a trip to another planet. Don't fall asleep off of all them Xanax. I bet that lean make it hard to stay up. Shawty, you done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, done fell in love with all these drugs, I know. Shawty, if you smoke with me, we can take a trip to another planet. I'll break it last, you can't even stand it. Floating on the moon, tripping on them Xannies. Smoking hella weed, wetting up your panties. I know your motion. Girl, let me give you the potion. And then let me get in your ocean. Take a couple of puffs, now we floating. Can I give you what you want? Girl, this slow drug turn me on. Let me just give you what you want. Shorty.
Gang. Smell like TVV. Yeah. See money. It's a billion. Yeah. Gang. Gang. Look, see a nigga like me, tight to pull up a sun clean. Going fast, swerving off lean. Bad bitch rolling my weed. Pile off a Xanax, so clean, fuck around with me. See a nigga like me, always on the motherfucking grind for a bitch, ain't got no time. Catch me on the highway flying with a blunt in my mouth, getting high, coulda just high ride. See a nigga like me, stick to the motherfucking code, so you know it's gang over hoes. Slump like be the gang dough, just in case you niggas ain't know, I'm the CEO. See a nigga like me, I would talk the king shit real, be in jams with the odds gon' squill. Never catch me lacking in the field from the ville, if you don't gotta steal, then you might get killed. See a nigga like me, I'm just tryna run it up. Switching lanes, tryna bust a jug. Double cup full of muddy stuff, but my pocket still ain't fat enough. Got the 40 tucked if you acting up. Got my gang over there in the cut. Slump life be the gang, yeah, the sun stay blowing loud till we blowing up. On the mission, tryna run it up. Block good, cause a nigga showing love. Money long hoes tryna fuck, but I ain't showing luck, cause they just want my buzz. Nowadays, niggas creep as fuck, they'll fuck your bitch and try to set you up. So I'm counting bands till the day I die, and I be hella high when I be sliding. See a nigga like me, tight to pull up a sun clean. Going fast, swerving off lean. Bad bitch rolling my weed. Pile off a Xanax, so clean, fuck around with me. See a nigga like me, always on the motherfucking grind for a bitch, ain't got no time. Catch me on the highway flying with a blunt in my mouth, getting high, coulda just high ride. See a nigga like me, stick to the motherfucking code, so you know it's gang over hoes. Slump like be the gang dough, just in case you niggas ain't know, I'm the CEO. See a nigga like me, I would talk the king shit real, be in jams with the odds gon' squill. Never catch me lacking in the field from the ville, if you don't gotta steal, then you might get killed.
See a prayer like C, always putting work on the scale. Hit them licks, got an ad bill, my homies be on that shooter shit. Bad bitch, she a hooters chick, she thuggin' all in that Gucci shit. Don't play me bar, I'll shoot ya bitch. AK's Taurus, them Rugers, bitch, I ain't never scared to really do ya bitch. Money long like my Rugers dick, got hollow tips and I'm cool and shit. On 95 and I'm moving shit. Quick MIA back to Duvet, bitch, got loud pack and I'm taxing. Fuck that weed, bitch, about action. Cashing out on that thug life, done turned a hoe into a housewife. I laid the dick, that's the act right. I spanked the hoe in the line like never had shit, so I ride tight. Gotta get the grands up and grind right. Pussy boy, you lying right. I pulled a 40 shoot out your life. This a murder game, I earn my stripes. This TVV and that slug
life. See a nigga
life.
like me, tight to pull up a sun clean. Going fast, swerving off lean. Bad bitch rolling my weed. Pile off a Xanax, so clean, fuck around with me. See a nigga like me, always on the motherfucking grind for a bitch, ain't got no time. Catch me on the highway flying with a blunt in my mouth, getting high, coulda just high ride. See a nigga like me, stick to the motherfucking code, so you know it's gang over hoes. Slump like be the gang dough, just in case you niggas ain't know, I'm the CEO. See a nigga like me, I would talk the king shit real, be in jams with the odds gon' squill. Never catch me lacking in the field from the ville, if you don't gotta steal, then you might get killed. Real. Yeah. It's Benny, baby. Yeah.
See, I've been dreaming on the daily. You the only thing on my mind. These lonely nights, they drive me crazy. I just wanted some of your time, trying not to like your pictures. Scrolling all down your timeline, it's like I really start to miss you. If you're not in front of my eye, I think I need you. You the one. Oh yeah, I need you. You the one. I really need you. You the one. Yeah, you the one.
Lately when I go to sleep, I have a dream, she be right next to me. I wake up on Twitter just watching her tweet. Trying so hard not to share all her links. She run through my mind every time that I blink. I just wanted her time, but we barely speak. Shawty my type, she small and petite. Fell in love with her smile cause her bracelets on fleek. Yeah, girl, it's something about you. I don't know what it is, y'all. Yeah, girl, it's something about you. What do you like? Look, shawty, I think you the one. wrapped in my arms, go crazy at night when she leave me alone. The smell of her scent, only thing made me sleep. Shawty, I'm thinking you the one for me.
See, I've been dreaming on the daily. You the only thing on my mind. These lonely nights, they drive me crazy. I just wanted some of your time, trying not to like your pictures, scrolling all down your timeline. It's like I really start to miss you. If you're not in front of my eyes, I think I need you. You the one. Oh yeah, I need you. You the one. I really need you. You the one. Yeah, you the one. We shine together. These haters can't see us, no. We on top of the world, my man. His girl, nothing gon' come between us, no. Me and you forever, we'll stick together. He by my side, together we ride or die. I'm so in love. You're the sweetest drug. I am so attached to you. I'm hypnotized. You can see it in my eyes. So some of your time, trying not to like your pictures, scrolling all down your timeline. It's like I really start to miss you. If you're not in front of my eyes, I think I need you. You the one.
Yeah.
Taylor about the fucking
Billy
flex.
man. Yeah. It's some real shit, man. For real. It's not life.
I'm sick and tired of families crying, from losing kids and hurting. In my city, people keep dying. Seem like every day it's a murder. They keep saying Black Lives Matter, but these niggas killing each other. The world won't get no better if we don't make it no better.
If we don't make it no better, the world won't get no better. If we don't make it no better. If we don't make it no better, the world won't get no better. If we don't make it no better.
Got a lot on my chest. I stay blowing that gas to get rid of the stress. I pray to the Lord I stay blessed. But I ride with that 40 that's just to protect my city. These niggas a mess. They'll kill for the chain that you got on your neck, but yet the new J's on your feet. So you better watch out, cause these niggas is creep. Free all of my boys out the road. I miss you, Lil' Keelan, can't wait till you're home. Rest up my little soldier that's gone. Lil' KJ, I hate that he took you so young. My auntie, an angel above. She keeping me humble, remember the love, so I can't let my family down. Shot my bro in the face, niggas try to take him out, but he good, he a miracle now. His vision is blurred, we ain't got no words, we glad that he back at the house. The rel is so crazy, niggas be hating, they can't keep my name out their mouth. The young niggas tripping, be too many killings, the young niggas keep falling out. I don't know what is going on now.
I'm sick and tired of families crying, from losing kids and hurting. In my city, people keep dying. Seem like every day it's a murder. They keep saying Black Lives Matter, but these niggas killing each other. The world won't get no better if we don't make it no better.
If we don't make it no better, the world won't get no better. If we don't make it no better. If we don't make it no better, the world won't get no better. If we don't make it no better. Free young Joi, man. Free my cousin Keelan. Rest up KJ. Rest up auntie. Sound like be the game, man. Yeah. We don't make it no better. do you like? Just tell me what do you like? See, I told you niggas billion on the way, and I got tired of waiting at the fucking bottom. Hot off the porch, married to the game, fell in love with money. All I speak is guala. If I ain't the man, I'm the king then. Cause I'm living like a fucking kingpin. Feeling bossed up like Scarface, been chasing checks. I keep my Nikes laced. Young rich nigga since 96, ever since a jet been in Nike fit. But I'm older now, so I'm cashing out on designer shit and the newest wheel. Bitches love me, but I'm too legit. And all that gold digger shit need to quit. I know my song hot, but who knew I had your bitch bopping all to my shit? See, I told you niggas billion on the way, and I got tired of waiting at the fucking bottom. See money with me and we keep it business, but if you got issues, we can solve your problems. Slump life be the game. The CEO, yeah, I'm that man. Young rich nigga, all of that claim. So if you ain't rockin' it, stay out my lane.
I told you, I come straight from the bottom of this shit. And who knew? I had your bitch straight bopping off in this bitch. I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you, I come straight from the bottom of this shit. And who knew? I had your bitch straight bopping off in this bitch. I told you.